Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Welcome to Sincerely Shamsa. My name is Shamsa, and Eid Mubarak, guys. When you see this video, it's like one day away till Eid. Today's Tuesday, so tomorrow's gonna be Wednesday. Yay! Inshallah, I'm gonna have an Eid vlog, but in today's video, we are going to be decorating for Eid. I'm so excited to be doing that. I'm going to be cleaning up and putting up some new Eid decorations, taking down my Ramadan decorations and putting up Eid. I don't have so much for the Ramadan, but yeah, but anyways, I want to put up some Eid stuff, and I hope that this video motivates you. If it did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell too, so that way you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. What's up everyone, assalamu alaikum, welcome back and welcome. I'm decided to do a voiceover on this part because everything is going so fast. Eid is like one day away as I'm doing this voiceover, so we're in a hurry trying to get everything done. Us ladies are trying to get our hennas done. I already did all the shopping for the kids and everything, so now I just need to decorate my house and wait for the day, inshallah. So we're starting off by, first of all, cleaning. I like to start off with a clean space, so I'm gonna clean off my living room. Mind you guys, I cleaned this living room like 2 days ago or something, moved the rug and cleaned underneath and everything, and look at it now. It's so much stuff. Like I don't even know how this happens. I really don't get it. Like, how is the mess always there? Like, I know I'm a mom, I got kids, alhamdulillah, but come on. I just cleaned even last night when I went to sleep, I cleaned this place and it's messy. But alhamdulillah, I'm grateful for my kids. As a mom, I'm gonna do my best to keep my home looking nice. And as for my children, I will continue to push them to clean up after themselves, inshallah.
Decor with Rhamzan.
So recently I purchased this cedar hardwood floor mopping thingy. I don't know what it's called, but I love it. My sister introduced me to this and for my hardwood floors, because whenever I use the broom to sweep the floor, there's always like little dust or little stuff that's left behind. But with this, I have everything is completely cleaned, and like it picks up hair and dust, so you can use it wet or dry. To my Muslim friends that are on here, do you guys decorate for Eid? Let me know in the comment section. I decorate for Eid every year, and even for Ramadan, like whatever I have, I would put it up. Now that like I'm a mom, like I have 5 kids, alhamdulillah, I want to show them that these holidays are important to us, like Eid al-Adha and Eid al-Fitr is very important to us. So I want to show like the excitement, you know, that we have, because, you know, they have friends. My kids have friends, and their friends are not Muslims. So whenever they're celebrating Christmas, their friends, families put up like holiday decorations, like lights and everything, and they're gifting gifts to each other. So I want to show my kids that Eid is important to me too. So I put up decorations and stuff, Eid Mubarak and stuff. And of course, we've been giving gifts to each other even way before this whole thing. I remember my parents giving us money, candy, and stuff. So of course, I do the same thing for my kids. So if you have seen my YouTube shorts that I posted about my Eid decoration haul, I bought these stuff from Temu. This tablecloth that I'm about to use is from Temu. It's supposed to say Eid Mubarak. I don't know why it's saying Ramadan Kareem, because when I placed the order, I placed one for Eid Mubarak, but it says Ramadan Kareem. So I don't care. I'm gonna use it. I'm probably gonna use it next year too, inshallah. So I just folded up the Ramadan Kareem part, and voila, it looks nice. I'm putting on some mirrors over there. Sorry about the background noise, guys. My sister and her kids are here with us, so, and they're toddlers. So as you guys know, they have yeah. So I'm putting down these beautiful plates and bowls that I bought from Home Goods. I had these for a very long time, alhamdulillah. And these napkins. Of course, we only have 4 chairs for our table. My kids ruined the other ones. I'm planning on getting a bench so that way we have more space for everyone to sit, because as of right now, we don't. For this entryway table, I'm not going to do much. I already wiped it down and stuff. I'm going to take down this frame and put up this Eid Mubarak sign over here on our entryway. I'm putting this sign over here because I want us to take photos. We're tall, so I moved the frame a little bit up. But yeah, this is going to be our like little photo booth section. And I'm going to take out these florals that I have in this vase and put in these ones that I bought from Hobby Lobby. They were on sale for like $11.99, I think. They're originally $12, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. I really like them, so I picked 3. And then I got these, I think they're called eucalyptus. Yeah, I got 2 of that, and they were on sale. Astaghfirullah. These, the eucalyptus are $11.99, and the other ones, the other florals, they are $5.99. Yeah. this is how everything turned out. Mashallah, it looks beautiful to me. All my favorite colors. I love the color blue and gold and black, so mashallah, it looks beautiful. It is daytime, so I try to make it as dark as possible so that way you can get that nighttime view also. And this is how our Eid Mubarak sign is looking. Mashallah, it looks beautiful. I think I might bring it down a little bit, but it looks beautiful. I really like it. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you made it all the way here and you're not subscribed, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and be sure to give the video a thumbs up and turn on your notification. Thanks for watching, guys, and Eid Mubarak.